So, woke up this morning. It's smoothie time. Mixed fruit. Whole bag. Whole banana. So we're going to use some strawberry yogurt. 1 cup full. Vanilla almond milk. 1 cup. Fresh spinach. Grab a handful. Or maybe a handful and a half. Breakfast essentials, you want 2 tablespoons of it. See that? Now it's time to mix. Alright, lid on, time to mix. This one has a smoothie setting. And you press start. Now as it's mixing up, if you need to get it a little thinner, you can add water or a little bit more almond milk. I'm going to add just a little bit more almond milk. It's done. Okay. Ooh, look at that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now this is just like a basic recipe that I use. Sometimes I add a little spoon of peanut butter, that changes the flavor. Sometimes I add kale. Sometimes I actually just do all berries, raspberry, blackberries, strawberries. It just depends, but the breakfast essentials is gonna make your smoothie sweet. So are the bananas. Now I got another batch of bananas, but they are not ready yet, so we only use 1 banana, but normally my recipe calls for 2. Enjoy.